Isn't this sound wonderful? I could stand here all day and just let it play to me. I love the sound of water and rocks or the sound of the sea, and every time it's different. Every place is unique. I think there's so much information that we don't fully understand about the power of water. We just sense it. That's why people love being around rivers and sea. So I'm just sharing my favorite place with you. And I'd love to hear in the comments about your relationship with water and what you like most about it. Meanwhile, just pause and really let this speak to you.